to look at some of these projects. So you can see that after service today, I decided to okay, on scheduled visit to this, within this month, we're going to do the groundbreaking. But we have already authorized them to start the construction fully for the groundbreaking before the end of this month. It's part of the facelift to the capital territory. We're going around the city, looking at the city to make sure the place is clean. And most of this road are already do overlay. And what this road, these roads are old roads. You know, when you are using roads, you don't maintain it. Like in the Western world, you see them, they maintain their road. If you see every day, they maintain roads. So we'll continue to maintain some of these roads and construct new ones and give the Asaba capital territory a new face. They used to call it Abraka Market. And a lot of people come here, even criminals taking advantage. And the state government decided to relocate them to Oko. And what we're going to do with this property, the state government also arrangement, on PPP arrangement with FAP. We are getting 20%. Our users to provide the land. They are to build and allocate, but we will get 20% from it, and something that we encourage.